Linen pants, only they fit you in a way where your backside still exists. These pants are from Tiameng. They're high-waisted with a wide leg. It's a palazzo style fit. They're coming through with the stretchiest waistband ever. The stretch with the waistband actually comes from the back, so the front has like almost a dress pant vibe. These pants get wider as they go down, so slimming to the waist. Plus, they've got the decor pockets and the pleats, so flattering to the midsection. They've got actual pockets at the side. They're made of 70% cotton, 30% linen, so they're super soft and lightweight. They just rest on your body. These are tall and short girl approved because they're supposed to fit cropped. I'm like 5'4", this is where they hit me. If you're shorter and they fit you full length, they've got that wide leg, so they're still super cute. So comfortable, you could wear them casual, you could dress them right up. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm like a blood.
Wait, nag-PM ulit si Madam. Okay, next na CZ. Dainty Floral. Wait lang, be. Okay, Dainty Floral, Madam. Medium CZ, 139 pesos. Small, medium, carry. 139, code ako 8. Code 8, Madam, 139. Code 8 CZ. Wait lang mga Madam ha. Next na CZ. Ayan. 8. Yours na to, Madam. 139, Ma'am Raya. Raya V. Raya V, 139 years na CZ. Raya V, 139 years na. Sana ikaw, Raya. 139 years na CZ. Thank you very much. Another. Bakla itong ilalak nyo, oh. Pwede pang partner sa short. Boho. Boho style medium, 100 pesos. Ganda nyan, oh. Medium, boho style. Perfect pang partner sa short. Pwede din sa long skirt, 100. Pang topper, code 6. Code 6, ma'am, medium, 100 pesos. Code 6, ma'am, code 6. Medium, 100 pesos. Ma'am, 120 kay CZ JK Fines. Pwede kayo mag-lock plus 20 lang po. JK Fines, 120 yours na. Okay, thank you. Next na tayo, another. Oh, may yellow na. Yellow, madalang na kulay eh. Oh, large mga CZ, ganda. Pa-self-tie yan na, large. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, B. 100 pesos. Large, code ako dito ng 6. Code 6 ulit, large. 100, ma'am. Code 6. Madalang na kulay. R&L shop, 100 years na. Add to cart, 100.
169 COD, 143, bayad muna. Mine 6, pamain ako ng 6. Mine ng 6. Wait lang yung mga nakahangha. Wait lang po. Mi, nasa self-tie sa likod, size extra small. 269 COD, 228, bayad muna. Mine ako dito ng 6, pamain ng 6. Mine ng 6. Self-tie na top Mima, ito when worn niya. May small at medium, 299 COD, 240, bayad muna. Main ako ng 8, pamain ng 8. Main ng 8. Black mannequin, extra small na lang yan Mima, 399 COD, 300, bayad muna. Self-tie, top at bottom mga Mima. May extra small, small at medium. 299 COD, 254 bayad muna. May ako dito, sister ng 9. Pasabi ng size. May ng 9. Wait lang yung mga polka sis ah. Mi, nasa self-tie sa likod. May extra small, small at medium. 269 COD, 228 bayad muna. May ako dito, sister ng 10. May ako ng 10. May ng 10. Oh, next, sister. One piece, mga Mima. One piece, size small. 229 COD, 194 ang bayad muna. May ako dito, sister 11. Size small, may ako ng 11. May ng 11 mga sisi ko. Ito, Mima, si 11. Size small. Next, so aling brown sister. Size small. Ito na mga Mima polka, oh. Sila polka sister ko. Mi, yung red natin self-tie. Itong pa-polka adjustable strap. Self-tie ang likod, size medium. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. May ng red. May ako ng red. May ng red. Size medium si red mga sister. May ako ng red. Next sister ko. 3-in-1 na polka mga Mima. Self-tie top bottom. May cover tayo dyan. Size medium. 499 COD, 380 bayad muna. May ng black. May ako ng black. May ng black. Size medium Mima. Next, Mi. Sa 3-in-1 ulit. Self-tie top bottom. May cover Mima. Size extra small. 499 COD, 380 bayad muna. May ng polka. May ako ng polka. May ng polka. Mi, bottom natin. Ano yan, Mima? Hindi yan magkahiwalay. Ano yan, Mima? May pa-skirt na shonti. Self-tie na top. Size large. Large Mima. 399 COD, 340 bayad muna. May ng brown. May ako ng brown. May ng brown.